Heidi-ho, all my lovely peoples. Right, I haven't done one of these before. This is an Iraqi 5 files coin. I don't know the date on it, but they made these from 67 to 71. So, guess what we're going to do with it? Any ideas? Come on. We're going to turn it into a ring. So first of all, I'm going to punch a hole in it. And for that, I need the penetrator. How's everybody doing? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. If you want to be a bit kinder, you can also hit the like button. That helps out with my algorithms and YouTube, because I'm pretty new to this game, so I could do with a bit more love. This is Big Bertha, my 20-ton hydraulic press. She's not wet today. Usually she's very damp. She leaks oil. That's what I'm talking about. You people have a sick mind, I tell you. Right. Just have to slap it on the bottom. So you having a good day? Get in there. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, there's a little button there, a little red one. If you press that, you're automatically subscribed, and you hit the bell icon and then automatically be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to do one every day. This is a deburring tool called Deburr. You just want to clean up the inside edges, so where I punch through, you want to make sure there's no cracks or potatoes growing in there, or mushrooms, or anything like that. I mean, if it's cracked or splits for me, it's going to cause your ring to split when you start folding it and playing with it. I do custom orders as well. I make wedding bands or whatever, You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size. But if you want that particular ring, I can adjust the size for you up or down. Within reason, Yeah, this is the first Iraqi coin ring I've made. So if you're from Iraq and you're looking for a ring, come and check it out. If you'd like to leave a comment under the video, I will answer it. I answer all my comments, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. This is called annealing. Yeah, you can send me your own coins if you want. If you've got a special coin at home or something with some sort of sentimental value, send it to me and I'll turn it into a ring for you. It'll all be filmed just like this, and load it onto YouTube. I was going to start going live shortly, but I'm hoping to get a Christmas market. So I'll wait till after Christmas, then I'll start going live. And then we can play and have a chat. Right. What side shall we do? Face side up. Some Iraqi text there. And you've got some bit of palm trees. I think this will have to be sunny side up on the ring, don't you? What do you think? There's a bit more going on. Okay, so this wants to go face down in my 17-degree folding die. Make sure it's nice and level. Now we go over to Big Red. Is my 1-ton arbor press. And let's fold it. And this is Conan. Turn it over. Right, let's give him a go. Right, let's break out Sandy. We just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean, no cracks forming, splits. It's looking quite good. I like these rings, they're like crown rings, or I call them crown rings, like the 50p's and the Australian 50 cents. Right, this needs a bit more love because it's work hardened. Most of my rings in my shop are 28 euros. There's a few that cost a little bit more, not much more. Well, there is a couple there that are quite expensive, but they're silver. Or 50% silver. Some of the 50p's I get are quite expensive. I think they're 34 euros, but that includes taxes and all that sort of game. So shipping is 10 euros in Europe, 14 out of Europe. Right, let's get a clean bit of kitchen roll, and then we'll go over to our friend Spike. There he is. This is a ring stretcher, and yep, it stretches your ring. In case you didn't know. You give it a bit of a turn each time. That way your ring stretches the same amount all the way around. I can't help it. You know what I'm like if you watch many of my videos. Right, how's that looking? Not bad. So what size we got? I've got really big fingers as well. should do. Let's give it a bit more of the old fire starter. Flame changes colour. That means it's had enough. Plenty hot enough. Right. Yeah, have you got any suggestions, anything you'd like me to make, or you got any questions about anything, or certain tools? Drop us a line. I'd gladly help. Right, we'll now go over to the bottom end of spike. I can probably use this to start. This is the 17-degree die I started with. I just want to make sure it's nice and square. Even though it's round, it wants to be square. Work that one out. Okay. You just want to get them more straight, a bit more. Put this baby back in there. There's a bit there we can do. How's that looking? I think, let's look with it with the eye. Yeah, that's good. It's deceiving when I'm looking at the monitor. Sometimes it looks like it needs a bit more. Maybe it's the way I'm holding it, but yeah, it's pretty sexy. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. She's just back from the hair salon, looking rather good. This is just like quad zero steel wool. Middle of October. One thing I do miss about England, and that's November the 5th. I was always brought up with loads of fireworks and stuff like that. But in Finland, there's no November the 5th, obviously, but there is New Year's Eve. And I don't know if you have fireworks in the UK New Year's Eve, but Finland, it's massive. Big time. And they're cheap. And they're bloody good fireworks as well. But I've got to wait another, couple of months. Do you have fireworks in New Year's Eve now? Or is it just November the 5th you're allowed to have fireworks? Let us know. This is just a bit of polish. Right, let's get rid of Kate Bush and put in Felton John. This is just a cloth woolen sort of pad. That's felt, I think. Yeah, so these, don't forget, these will make great Christmas gifts. All you've got to do is find out their ring size. And I'll make you a nice ring. I think the 50p's and these type of coins are my favourites. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like them all, but these are a bit different. I think it'll be time to get some new cloths out soon. And at the end of the video, my girlfriend cleans these up more because my fingers and hands are still covered in polish and oil. Because Big Bertha's leaking. So, right. What's that inside edge like? Not too bad. Right, there you go, folks. An Iraqi coin ring. Got some palm trees and leaves there. Looks alright. There's the text, well, whatever it is on the inside. That's why I use the kitchen roll. Size wise, we've got a size EU, and you always measure from the reeded side or this fluted side. 66. Yeah, 66. So thanks for watching, folks. It nearly fits, well, it fits my little finger. Not really. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Sorry, bye-bye.